Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Nigeria debt don't reach $35.95 billion. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, and Victor don't come here today. Come talk about this money wey Nigeria borrow. Wetin dey use am buy? Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa and Victor. Enjoy the video.
My people, on a good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the location for the connect with us this evening. We welcome on a come another day like this when God will create, because not only when they put road for where road not day. Talk am as it be in the brokers of truth. When it be say whether we like him or not, we go must hear the truth. Truth be like bitter leaf. When it be say belle purge you or belle dey pain you, you go drink am. Well, all of us, whether they take time, they subscribe, they listen to us. It's not easy, and God will bless you for us. And the people where God do assign to bless you, may problem go far from them. Amen. Each time I listen to late prophet, Dr. Deacon Apostle, Bishop Evangelist Okosun, when he sing this song, freedom is now and never, people think say na a joke, they joke. When in their life, they shout freedom. He don't die. Today we should talk about freedom because we are not free. Well, my name is Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. My brother, they here with me this evening.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Depending on where we want to take the connect with us again this evening. We thank God Almighty to give us the opportunity to present today's edition of Talkam as it will be. My name is Remain Victor Olise.
My brother, I hear say your country, they don't dey under serious debt. What you wanna buy?
It's okay.
What you wanna buy?
If blind man for this country, they say they see wetin dey happen for this country, that means that blind man don't dey lie. If who deaf go come out talk say wetin dey happen for this country, he never hear, that means that deaf person he dey lie. Why? Because wetin dey happen for this country when they call Nigeria, so they even who blind
You don't see
don
him.
dey see am.
Who deaf?
Who deaf
You don't hear.
you don dey hear am.
Dumb. You don't talk.
How una go imagine country when e be say the numbers of the professors when they get for their country e more than the population of some countries?
Yet they don't fit produce Maggi.
I wan come again. The numbers of professors, elites, when we get for this country, those when they don't fit read, study book, they don't attain the degree of professorship, their numbers outweigh the population of some countries for this world.
And they don't fit produce Maggi.
And they don't fit produce Maggi. And they go somewhere else. That same country gets series of
Churches.
people when be say, if we dey talk about economists, these people na then sit down gidigba for economy. Country when be say in one citizen, another country open eye say our economy e dey go down and we need person when go help us revive our economy. They can't look the whole world. They can't dim and fit to appoint a Nigerian. Okoje to be their own economy advisor. As if that was not enough, the World Trade Organization where be say men when matter for the world, when they play politics across the world,
When they play draft.
they see politics as drafts, they see politics as chess. All of them gather together, bow, for this same Nigeria, and then before you know, more talk truth. How e be say people when they contest for position
They step down.
as against a Nigeria, they step down with na juju. That same country no deem and fit to call that their pikin say, ah, my daughter, abeg come.
Come visit our own.
The house where we for train you, the
Dey
foundation,
collapse.
e don weak o. E sure the house don collapse. Abeg come help us fix am. We no fit call our own daughter. Now na this same country na im dey use about 25 to 30% of their annual budget to service
Debt.
debt. Akanyama.
No, just they open them up.
25 to 30% of their annual budget to service debt. As if that is not enough. As we speak right now, the Nigerian politicians led by President Zibubu, they don't succeed to use the future of 5 generations to come to borrow money.
Wait, to take do waiting they buy.
So as we speak right now, Nigeria they owe $35.95 billion.
Where they take service politician.
$35.95 billion as external debt. No be that only that one we dey owe as external debt. That means say we still get
Domestic debt they there. Kitchen debt they there. Victor, the question where they ask, the money wey una presidency borrow, wetin una buy? Because I never see one thing where they use the money do. I not see one road. Because the last time when I check, Benia Uchi Road, they say they don't dualize them. The last time when I check, oh, the road they not do them. The last time when I check, they don't budget billions of naira for Sapele Road. That road they not do them. And the last time when I check, I see say they don't budget money to take carry road go Niger Republic. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
Now, me I want to ask you, Victor, wetin your president use money to do? Because me I never see one viable structure for grant. What now your president use money to do?
I wan quickly talk this one. E get one message when I stumble at this afternoon. Yusuf, his name na Yusuf Gadji. This man, he be senator. This man, we get call.
Not be for us.
This man na senator. Na know wetin this man talk. He say make Nigerians make dem shut up their mouth. How he take talk am? He say how Nigerians go expect make senator make dem know who Pantami be. He say before senator accept Pantami when he come for screening.
Where then they?
He say where DSS dey.
Okay.
You know the one wey come shock me pass? He say where Nigerians dey.
And I true the man talk now.
Huh?
I true talk now. Because now the Senate, not them screener.
He say where Nigerians dey. Why Nigerians
Not talk.
no talk come on? Why Nigerians no present a document before senators when they dey pass, when they dey screen am? Wow.
Because they were busy fighting for their stomach.
Now I tag that word open foolishness. The reason why I tag that word open foolishness, number one, be say Yusuf Gadji, who be Senate member, come out to show how foolish he is in the public domain.
Because he himself was also part of those that did the screening.
Yeah. To show how foolish he is in the public domain, but it no end there. inside the foolishness, he send message to us.
When it be say, the message will be say, he say make we begin to pick interest for waiting to happen for governance.
He send message to us. Tell Nigerians, say, make una keep quiet. How many of una fit come out beat chest before now? Say una know who this Issa Pantami be. And guess what? Upon records, this guy has instigated a lot of nuisance.
In this country, against his own people.
A lot with records.
Flying everywhere.
With records to prove. With records to prove. Now, I digress to say this, to make a claim, say, we Nigerians.
And with our problem.
I want to ask everybody when they listen to me now. I want to ask everybody. May nobody type Google. May nobody type Google. How much be Nigeria 2021 budget, annual budget?
2020 you call? Did they implement it?
No, not be implement. I want are they presenter before the people now. Make we feel justify say we know they show interest for governance.
We concern us. We don't pre-finish.
Say we know they show. How many of us fit come out say this na the money when they allocate for Nigerian budget 2020?
Who cares?
How many of us? Now this is it. The reason why these politicians will continue to go away with their evil deed. Now because of say me and you
keep quiet.
They shy away from the reality. What's the reality? The reality is that you no fit open eye. No say this man he dey rape people. You can't open eye keep her inside your house with your daughter.
No. To even keep her inside house with your daughter na with your wife.
You know, you don't see her for news say this man
na terrorist, na rapist, na rapist, na rapist.
He don't rape fowl, rape cow.
He don't rape everything, rape people.
You can't look say you can't dey drive for road one day. You can't see rain dey beat am, stay there outside. You can't look say you be good Samaritan. You want keep her for inside house. Say you know say I get 3 rooms and me just share
1 room with your family. Before you go back, go work, come back, you don't dualize and vandalize your daughter. You go vandalize and nothing will happen.
Now the irony when we don't find ourselves for Nigeria. So we know say these people when they call themselves president, they be thief. And we dey trust them, say they go do the right thing. It can never work.
You know what they happen, my brother? Politics and religion don't blindfold the people eye. What did I talk?
Politics and religion.
And religion. This is why I go say I'm a Christian. I have no business in politics. Some bishop will come tell us say politics is a dirty game. Hereby, Geneva they elect the members. They know what they happen for governance, and the members themselves refuse to help themselves by doing a proper research. The only way to do the research now to download all kind of music and useless books that are going to do with the government.
Make I quote my brother in the struggle, a man who join hands together with well-meaning Nigerians to lead the struggle against General Buhari when he go UK the other time. Buhari must go back
to Nigeria.
This person and the person of Reno, well we all know Reno Mokri. He just post now. He say for 2015, Buhari makes bag of rice 50 kg for 8,000 naira.
Yes, so.
Apostle, how much a bag of rice is now 50 kg?
25,000 depending on the quality.
Okay. He say for 2015, General Buhari meet fuel per litre for 87 naira. Me never get motor. Apostle.
But today now fuel na 175 depending on the location. You know, and they talk about it they pay.
Depending on the location, when I say they collect it us now.
Yes, now depending on the location. Like can I buy 175? Maybe for benefit be 169. So either it be 200.
Okay. Number 3, say for 2015, General Buhari meet $1 for 199 naira. How much for $1 now? As equivalent to 450 to 500 naira.
No, my brother. Now they change on next level where the people clamor for. Because when they shout up change, they say they don't like that right to they buy for 8,000 naira.
Okay.
So they now clamor for change. Now you can afford to buy the right for 30,000. Don't cry. Because now they change on next level.
Number 4, say the air ticket from Lagos to Abuja na 10,000 naira.
Okay, now.
If you want fly from Lagos to Abuja in 2015, na 10,000 naira. Me never fly Lagos to Abuja.
I never fly.
Me no know the amount. But if you know the amount, I beg, no, help us.
Wanna tell us? We don't know.
Maybe General Buhari don't reduce am because for 2015 to fly from Lagos to Abuja, according to Reno,
na 10,000 naira.
na 10,000 naira. I dey quote Reno Omokri. Now is a leader in the struggle against Buhari regime.
How much it be now? Make you know how much.
The amount no dey here, but we dey open am up for our people who get idea about me dey present am before.
The last time when I check,
Yes, sir.
Lagos to Abuja was 150,000 naira.
Yeah,
Yes, now. And one of my friend, Evangelist Joshua, now he posted for a war. Evangelist Joshua, now he posted for a war. The last time when I check, from Lagos to Abuja is 150,000 naira. I beg, if you not get the right figure, make una tell us.
Number 5, Coke was 60 naira. But to speak, ask Coke dey here, sha.
Cook there. And this one is 150.
No, I bought this for 180.
Okay, 180 for this area.
I bought this 60 CL.
Okay, depending on the location, we are not verse.
I got this for 180 naira.
Naira. Because even now, Coke never the market again. No?
It is 60 CL. 60 CL.
180.
180 naira. Lastly, on the list, when Reno Omokri post for a Twitter handle, say picnic, one picnic was 80 naira in 2015. Apostle, no, I don't marry.
And the last time when I checked, picnic na 150 naira.
150 naira. It's cheap, oh. Boy, you try for that one. It's 150 naira. You sure say no pass?
Make a call again.
It pass. I bet call.
I want make call. When I not verse.
For this one, I want confirm.
Want make call.
If General Buhari, picnic, no, when they be cow me.
Make we make the call. Put me the pick. Make we go. We not get a subscription, so if you help us go, may tell us. Abi?
Yes, sir.
Make we dey make call. I mean, try to call one marketer. Make it tell us.
Yeah.
It may not be so come they give a wrong figure.
Of course.
They not gree pick. Make it they attend to their customer. They not pick. My brother, continue.
So, the question when we dey ask this evening, be say, how come we dey no be we? How come they owe 35?
You join no because those money we they borrow. My brother, you join no.
No get what I use and do.
You join no because those who collect now your money, all those tax, all those things where they collect from our hand. You don't know before.
So, how come they owe $35.95 billion not as external debt? We never talk about the internal debt where they borrow table for Dangote business. We never talk that one. This now why when Yusuf Gadji, a senator, open him mouth, talk say make Nigerians no come out, say make federal government make they sack Pantami, or make they come out, make they come they blame National Assembly or senators or where DSS dey before they appoint them. Where Nigerians dey, and to be honest, me I tag that word open foolishness, but in the midst of him showing how foolish he is, he send the right message.
Like open up the truth.
He send the right message. For me, na my own take be that one. So, as we dey speak, right now, I expect Nigerians to begin to dey ask questions such as, how do we pay these debts?
Then the government never care.
Who will pay the debt?
Na me and you.
When will they pay the debt?
Generation yet unborn. The generation yet unborn. Generation yet unborn.
When they go pay the debt? And what are we doing to see say in subsequent years we no go borrow again?
No plan.
No be we talk for yesterday
No
broadcast. Talk for yesterday broadcast. How Nigerian government through National Assembly don take award the sum of how much 995 million euros as how to do wetin?
You forget say they want to do a national identity card for cow. Wait, you forget. Say they want to do national identity card for cow. You should know. So those money, now they want to do national ID card now. See me, see my brother.
So for us, they appalling, they questionable, they ask questions. Nigerians, when we go wake up to the responsibility to realizing the fact, say this country,
You know they work.
they work, and for this country to move, we must collapse the structure.
And the collapsing the structure, a lot of things will happen now. I don't understand.
Apostle, I see one video. As I watch the video, I say, Jesus, this kind of thing will happen for my country. So
Happen waiting.
all of us, they talk about climate change and the threat when global warming they pose to the entire world. If you get anybody for Nigeria, and even though you say you don't in Nigeria, you'll see say the weather don't change.
Where before uncle?
The weather don't change. South Korea also, they do solar road.
So I go fit a retainer.
They do solar for the middle of the road. Then inside the solar build when they build, they can't make them motorable for bicycle
Okay.
to the right inside. So in a nutshell, the road don't dey solar panel, number one. Number two, that means say motor when go dey pass for that road, you no go dey use fuel.
Okay, go they use solar.
So that means they don't reduce the rate of carbon emission.
Okay, now.
Number two. Number three, they don't come create road for people when go on ride bicycle. To ride bicycle, number three. Number four, as they ride their bicycle, they get their own separate road. When we say if rain dey fall, sun dey shine, they don't that.
Nothing dey happen to them.
Number five, nothing like say person dey ride the bicycle dey go for road, one motor come jam am.
Where the motor one pass reach there?
I come dey ask question say, hey, na forever na dey do this project?
No.
Number two, I come also ask again say they borrow money for the world dey do this project?
No, they not borrow the money. Our own, we want do road, we'll borrow money. You hear so? We want build school, we go borrow money. We want build hospital, we will borrow money. That's why Obaseki say, more could not look inward. All this borrow, you know they help us. As Obaseki talk, and I have some people say, what do you know?
You know what they make me laugh now? Now when they ask Amechi, see when you want to see money to do the project, Amechi say they won't go borrow. Now that one shock me. As you talk now, my brain just boot. The crumbs of rulers someone get.
I call them coward.
For this country, they are clueless. They have no vision. They have no foresight, and they are doomed.
You know what they pay me? On Sunday, they will go one church. I don't know. On Sunday, they'll come go one church, waiting the pastor or the bishop or reverend they preach. Because all the people they do all this nonsense, they all belong to one of organization. They go to church, you know, guy 1B. Funny enough, by the time they win, they come to church and they do thanksgiving. Now the pastor give the front seat. Now, make I come back to the religion circle. How come Nigeria will get the largest church congregation in the world and things are not working well? Dubai, they get church. They believe you in on humanity. But we get the largest church and we dey brag. Say we are doing well. We have the largest congregation. In the midst of this largest congregation, things are not working. Then we should check inward. I don't understand.
Yeah.
We should check inward. We should check ourselves. We serve God with our lips, not with our hearts. The last time when I checked, Makinde, the governor of Oyo State, want build a government lodge for Abuja. As if saying that one be the priority now. If Makinde not be stupid man, he no know say Oyo people need good education. He no know say Oyo people need good road. Now you want to use that money to go build government lodge for Abuja. Now, what happened to the one we fed there before?
Oyo State, the largest city in Africa. No space again for Oyo State.
Good. Now, you want to carry that money to go build government lodge. Why you not use money to do that same money to do rail line for Oyo State? So, we're going to talk about the bill. You know, say all those money they contribute to the debt where they hold. Because the governor not generate that money from Oyo State. It's still part of the money borrowed from different sources to finance the budget. I don't know if you get them now. Now this area, me I would appreciate Governor Obaseki. Why? Now the man will know say he ain't go fit use 1 or 2 naira take get what he want for the country, especially for his state. To ensure say do something we say generation yet unborn they will experience that. All these things now they contribute to the downfall of this country. Or your people, waiting on a governor why use that money they do for Abuja. He want build governor lodge for Abuja. What happened to the former lodge? So that is to say these people they not get priority. Whether PDP or APC, they don't have plan. They don't have plan. They don't have plan for the future. Why waste such money on what infrastructure where people will now can't travel? Go Abuja, una go see where stay.
Wait. Seyi Makinde na one of those governors when number one he dey young, number two when small they try and they appreciate am because say if they come out they update the people. Yeah. But see e no sound now you wan collect money from Oyo State, you wan come go Abuja go build governor's lodge, you come tag am Oyo house abi Oyo government Oyo. I see the picture.
Now 1.6 billion or 1.2 billion naira.
1.2 billion naira.
Yes. 1.2 billion. That 1.2 billion it go open up agriculture for your state.
Make una imagine. See, una see, I know. Una see the man wey sit down for ground. This na country president.
Okay. I want to sit down for grant.
Swiss president.
Okay.
Alain Berset reading his note on the pavement in New York City during the United Nations General Assembly leadership. Na that picture wey I show na so. Swiss rather. Sweden president. Na him sit down for pavement. E dey go through him notes
to ensure say wetin right for ground im fit achieve am.
Do you know what that means? It shows leadership. But na this country Nigeria you go see when councillor get PA when they hold phone for am.
Another phone wey dey hold book and barrel for am.
Councillor
book and barrel
wey no fit spell him name because if he should go you hear is a leader there.
Is a leader there.
Is a leader there. We have missed it in this country.
No, funny enough, as we dey talk, they go say we not get work. They say we are jobless. Some people say we go fight. Nigeria, we don't play our role. Time they come, people will search for Talk Amasibi channel. Okay, Mama Cash Pikin say this our leaders. I believe they went to school to learn. They went to school to learn how to steal, to kill, and to destroy. That's all.
You are very right, man. They went to school, but they never had education. It's a different thing. Yes. There's a difference between schooling and education. Yes. Schooling, now when you go school. But education, now when you go school and school pass through you.
It passed to you.
Mama, you see the difference? That's the difference between school and education. They not be leaders, so they be rulers. These rulers, they go school, but they don't get education. That's the difference. If you see person when get education, person when they educated, you go know. No, you go know. You go know. Say this one. No, this one. He go school. School pass through and back. This na why we for Talk Amasibi channel on a daily basis we go ensure say we continue to open the eyes of the people on the current state of this country wey they call Nigeria. Why? Because one of the major reasons why Nigeria don waka far this way when oyibo dey call progressive in error na because of say we had limited numbers of information at our reach. So the people wey don live before now wey dey call generation X, that na our parents age, those people they had little or no access to information.
Nothing.
So you can imagine in 1997 when Tinubu come out open him mouth say Nigeria can never be one nation in 1997 and they publish am for newspaper. As compared to now, you no fit use the way the information take go viral now
And then
the way the information dey go viral then. Do you know why? Because we are in a we dey wetin dey call the information age.
jet age.
This na why we dey send strong warning to Nigerian politicians say make dem no think say the way politics take be for 2019 na so e take be, na so e go take be for 2023 o.
My brother.
Because from inside our room na we go take dey connect. If na lie, make dey go ask Americans wetin dey use Facebook and Twitter take do for their election.
They never know anything. My brother, how many will fit talk? See wetin lie department talk. Lai Mohammed.
Okay.
As we dey close our broadcast this evening. He said professor may work in Togo bakery if Nigeria break.
Yeah, I see am.
When I hear wetin the Lucifer talk o, SKD Lai Mohammed. He said professor may work, and that one na disgrace to the Nigerian professors. He just tell una say una no get level. Una no vex o, una no vex. He just tell una say una no get level.
No be the same professor wey dey use the rig election. No be the professors na be polling unit wey dey call them.
They collect ekunje.
The same professor.
He don cause una. Lai Mohammed don cause
the same
una.
professors na still dem na in this politician dey use the rig election. You go dey hear returning officer.
Professor Banje.
What is the report in your polling unit? Professor, upon the years when you don stay, take study, take do research, take write articles. One mumu like Lai Mohammed.
Go dey tell abeg.
Mumu like Osibanjo.
That one na the senior house boy now.
Mumu like Adesina.
Another house boy.
They go dey control una.
They no even get the fear of God
No
though.
dey shame.
They don't get the fear of God. This one a challenge to all our professors. Say time don't reach for now today innovative. Time don't reach. La department, it don't cost una.
So that we now go work for bakery.
So now go work for bakery. Because he knows so now go work for bakery. You understand? We don't talk our own no. As we still no reach, we don't talk am. We dey take time to do research. We don't pass our message. Nigeria professor, la department say if una no take time, una go work for bakery for Togo. So that one, I believe is a challenge to una to pick am up to say, Oga, we know work for bakery. Now you go work for our bakery. But fair go let them talk. I beg you. I beg. Now you want to talk this evening. We no go talk wetin God no put for our mouth. Una do well. Una take follow us this evening. Una take share the broadcast. Una take invite una friends. The truth be say, them Victor president don't borrow money. I don't know what they use money to buy. They the whole debt.
The way the money to count cow.
I don't know what Victor president use money one
The
thing
way that
do.
they count cow.
Okay, then they count cow. They want to do national identity card for cow. All right, no problem. You guys are doing well.
All right, thank you so very much, everyone, for joining us again today on today's edition of Stockam as it is. Una no forget say una need to dey pray. Una need to dey pray for us. Una know why? No shaking. We stand gidigba. For this Nigerian matter, we we'll pull mouth. The mouth where my papa no gree put, where my mama no gree put. We don't decide to pull mouth for the matter when concern national development, when concern state development, when concern local development, when concern family development for this country.
We don't keep quiet.
We for Stockam as it be, we remain resolute in this struggle. Not until that desired nation we see am, we will put fire for everything here.
Are coming. And I do well. God bless you, love for now. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try and make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.